Good morning, Dennis Smith reporting from the Board of Trade in Chicago. It's Friday, June 21st. It's before the markets opened here. Pit session will open in 15-20 minutes. Live cattle futures trading steady to lower. Most actively traded August live cattle down 27 as I look at the screen. October's down 40, deferred contracts 30 to 40 lower. Feeders down 45 in the August, slightly lower in the deferreds. Hogs in the process of breaking down here. I want to talk about the cattle market. There's been no widespread cash trade yet. Traded 120 in the Southern Plains last week. Still looking for a real defensive posturing. The bids are at 116 to 117. I guess I would envision a 118 to 119 cash trade this week. At best, it would be a steady 120 trade, and I'm not really expecting that. Futures are trading right around 120, so maybe the board at the moment is expecting a pretty good chance of a steady cash market. I just don't see it as I continue to look for the wholesale beef to pull back here for the next few weeks. We're just finishing up 4th of July bookings. That's going to kind of leave the meat demand in a void here for a while. That's always the case in the summer at this time of the year. You've also got increased cattle offerings. We think the supply of steers and heifers for slaughter will be up for the next 3-4 weeks. Cow slaughter has been a little bit larger than expected. And I think you're going to see plenty of beef here for the near term. And I think wholesale beef prices pull back to a level necessary to attract some renewed domestic demand. Export demand's not real good, although we've had a real good week a week ago in the export shipments, and that's common for the middle part of June. Basically, I look for a defensive posture, not only in the wholesale beef, but in the cash steer market and in the futures board. Eventually, I think in the next week or so, you see August live cattle challenge support at 118. They've been challenging resistance this week at 120.50, could not penetrate. So I would guess the next move down will be a move down and a test of 118 support. Opinions are my opinions alone. They are not the opinions of ADM Investor Services, nor are they the opinions of Archer Financial Services.